Dear students, in the last class we learnt about the reaction of fructose. First one is with hydroxylamine. When fructose reacts with hydroxylamine with the removal of water molecule, it gives the oximes. Okay. Next is with hydrogen cyanide. Here the fructose is the 6-member drink. We know that this HCN is react with fructose. It gives a cyanohydrine. This H is bond with oxygen and CN is bond with second carbon atom. Okay, next with phenyl hydrazine. Excess of phenyl hydrazine reacts with fructose. It gives a osazone. And then concentrated HNO3. This is the oxidizing agent. Okay, here when fructose is react with concentrated HNO3, it gives a tartaric acid and glycolic acid. Next is with hydrogen iodide. This is the reduction reaction. Here fructose is reacts with hydrogen iodide. It gives a NXN and catalytic hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen molecule by using catalyst. Okay, it gives the sorbitol. Okay, this is all about the last class. So dear students, in this class we learnt about the Fischer and Haworth structure of fructose. Okay, Fischer and Haworth structure of fructose. Fischer and Haworth structure of fructose. Okay, this is the fructose. We know that this exists in 6-member form. Okay, this exists in 6-member form. This is the structure of fructose. CHOH and COH, COH, H, CH2, OH. Okay, this is D minus fructose. Okay, here this is the Fischer open chain structure. Fischer open chain structure. Okay, here fructose is, you have to know about that, fructose is exist in 6-member. So it is called pyranose. 6-member ring is called pyranose. Okay, pyranose form in free state. Okay, free state andre ee tara state alli idre, this is the 6-member ring and it has a pyranose structure. ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರ ಹಾವರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು, ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಫ್ರುಕ್ಟೋಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5-membered ring, 5-member ring, that is called it as a furanose. Okay, furanose form in the combined state. Okay, in the combined state. ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮು ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ, ಈಗ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು ಮತ್ತು 5th ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿಸ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು. ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 by 1 ನೋಡೋಣ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಕೇವಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಿಶರ್ cyclic and Haworth structure of fructose. Okay, first one is 5 member Fisher cyclic and Haworth structure of fructose. This COH CH2OH. See here, CH2OH is here. This carbon atom is bond with oxygen atom. This oxygen atom is bond with fifth carbon atom hydrogen. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ CH2OH ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ HOH COH H. Next this will be this is the glycosidic linkage. Okay, CH2OH here, OH here. This is the cyclic structure of 5 membered Fisher cyclic structure. Here you have to count it 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in the second carbon atom the oxygen atom is bond with the fifth carbon atom of hydrogen. Then the fifth carbon atom of oxygen form a linkage with second carbon atom. Okay, if OH is present on the right side, so it is called as alpha D fructose. Alpha D fructose. Okay, next CH2OH OH CHOH COH H C. This will bond with this carbon atom and this is the H CH2OH. Okay, here OH is present on the left side, so it is beta D fructose. Okay, this will be the Fisher cyclic. Okay, this is the Fisher cyclic form. Okay, cyclic form means there will be glycosidic linkages formed. Okay, next is Haworth structure. This is how many membered ring? 1 2 3 4 5 membered ring. Okay, then Furanose structure. It means Haworth structure of 5 membered ring. This is the furan structure. Okay, and 1 2 3 4, and in that you have to see here the presence of right side. Here the presence of atoms in the right side, that should be on the lower plane. Okay, here ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ OH H OH H. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. CH2OH H OH, then H, then this is CH2OH. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ? ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಅಬೋವ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ CH2OH ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಅಬೋವ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡಿ fructopyranose. In the Haworth structure, how did you determine the which is alpha and which is beta? Here the OH group is present in the below the plane, that is call it as a alpha. Okay, if it is above the plane, that is call it as a beta. This one here, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆವರ್ತ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫಿಶರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀರಿ. CH2OH H OH. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ CH2OH. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಬೋವ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನೇ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಅಬೋವ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ OH and then again OH, next is H, next is H. Here if OH is present on the above the plane, that is called it as a beta. Here beta D fructopyranose. Okay, this is the Haworth structure of furanose form. Furanose form ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6-membered Fisher cyclic and a Haworth structure of fructose. This is the 5-membered, it means furon ring. Here we will learn about the what? Pyron ring. Pyron ring means 6-membered ring. Okay, 6-member Fisher cyclic and Haworth structure of fructose. Okay, here in the last example you have to see this, the glycosidic linkage between this carbon atom and this carbon atom. Okay, it means second carbon atom. Okay, this is, we know that this is the first carbon atom, this is the second, this is fifth carbon atom. The glycosidic linkage between the C2 and C5, but in the 6-membered ring the glycosidic linkage between C2 and the C6. Okay, glycosidic linkage between C2 and C6. Here you have to observe COH, same as it is C2, the presence of oxygen atom in the C2, that should be bond with the 6th carbon atom of hydrogen. Okay, then CH OH COH COH H H. Okay, then this is CH2O. This will be bond with glycosidic linkage with, you have to write a straight line. Okay, this is alpha D fructose. Okay, here this is alpha D fructose. This OH is present on the right side. Next is CH2 OH, OH, CH, OH, COH, H, COH, H, and then this CH2. This will be the glycosidic linkage with second carbon atom. Here this is called it as a beta D fructose, okay, because the OH group is present on the left side. Then this is the Fischer structure. This is the Fischer cyclic structure, okay. Next is Haworth structure for 6-membered fructose, same as it is in the glucose, okay. The oxygen atom should be present on the top. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. In the presence of right side, we have to write the below the plane OH, H, OH, OH, okay. Then here in the 5th carbon atom, H2 is there. You have to write both H, H, okay. So in the presence of left side, you have to write on the above the plane. First one is CH2 OH, next is OH, and next is H. You have to write carefully, and then last one is OH, okay. This is the alpha D fructopyranose, okay. Fructopyranose. This is the pyron ring, 5-membered ring. ಈ ಥರ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪೈರಾನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ okay, this is called it as a furon ring. Then here we are writing alpha D fructopyranose because OH group is present in the below the plane, okay. Next another one is you have to carefully practice the structure of carbohydrates, okay. Not only glucose, also fructose, mannose, another structure is also present, okay. So this is you have to write right side alliruvanthadana below the plane bariri CH2 OH, H, OH, OH, then H, H. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ OH is upper, then same as it is OH, H, H, okay. This is beta D fructopyranose, okay. This is beta D because OH group is present on above the plane. This will be the Haworth structure. Haworth structure, okay. This is cyclic structure, this is Haworth structure, and 6-member ring, okay. This is all about the cyclic and the Haworth structure of fructose. Next is some of the structures are there, Fischer and Haworth structures of galactose and mannose, okay. These are all very very important, Fischer and Haworth structure, okay. First we have to know about the Fischer structure. This is D-mannose. D-mannose means dextrorotatory. Okay, this is open chain structure of D-mannose. Okay, aldehyde group CHOH, CHOH, and another 2 OH is present on the right side. Here you have to observe here in the glucose and fructose, second carbon atom has OH in the right side and then H, and these two have a right side. But here in the mannose, 2 OH groups are present in the left side and other 2 are present in the right side. This is the open chain structure, and this is alpha D mannose. Okay, this is the structure of alpha D mannose. The glycosidic linkage between the C1 and the C5 carbon atom. Okay, in the presence of oxygen in the C1 carbon atom, that is bond with the hydrogen atom present in the C5. So then glycosidic linkage is formed. Alpha D means OH group is present on the right side, so it is alpha D mannose. Okay, here this is the beta D mannose. Same as it is, glycosidic linkage is formed. Okay, here beta means the OH group is present on the left side. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. OH ಗ್ರೂಪು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ beta. This is all the Fischer structure of mannose. Okay, next Haworth structure of mannose is, this is pyranose ring, we know that. Then you have to write here in the right side which atoms are present. That atom should be written in the below the plane, and that last CH2OH should be present on the above the plane always. Okay, here you have to write OH, it should be present on the below the plane. Then HH, next is OH. Okay, then in the presence of left side, that atoms should be present on the above the plane. Okay, here H, OH, last one is H. Here CH2OH should be always present on the above the plane, and then H is below. This is alpha D mannopyranose. Here alpha D because OH group is present in the below the plane. Okay, OH group is present in the below the plane. Then this is the beta D mannopyranose. Here there is differences. This is the structure of beta D mannopyranose. Here OH group is present on the above the plane, so it is called it as a beta D mannopyranose. This is the Haworth structure of mannose. Okay, next we move on to the Fischer and Haworth structure of galactose. This is the Fischer structure of galactose. Okay, here same as it is like a glucose. Okay, CHO, OH, HH, but in the fourth carbon atom, the OH group is present in the right side in glucose, but here H group is present in the right side. Okay, this is D-galactose. This is the open chain structure of galactose. Okay, then here in the first carbon atom, this one aldehyde group, the oxygen atom in first carbon atom is bond with the fifth carbon atom of hydrogen. Okay, so then it forms a glycosidic linkage. Here this is the alpha D galactose because OH group is present in the right side. Why it is called it as alpha D? Because OH group is present in the right side. Then it is beta D galactose because OH group is present in the left side. Okay, this is the Fischer structure of galactose. Next we move on to the Haworth structure. This is also pyron ring. Okay, here HOH, you know that the right side atom should be written on the below the plane, left side atom should be written on the above the plane. CH2OH should be always in the above the plane. Okay, this is alpha D galactopyranose because OH is present in the below the plane. This is the beta D galactopyranose because OH group is present on above the plane. This is all about the structures of galactose and mannose.